If you are looking for a way to stand out so that the girl actually selects you over everybody else, or you just want to make an amazingly good impression, or perhaps even improve your current relationship with your lady, then this is the video for you. All women are different, so some ladies prefer a certain type of thing and some others don't. But as a rule of thumb, I have come up with 9 common things that women love that men do. And if you are interested to find what those 9 things are, then stick around, don't move an inch. My name's Anna, and stay tuned. Number 1, you need to be a great listener. Without a doubt, every single woman loves this. If you can show a lady that you value everything that she says, you do not interrupt her when she speaks, you ask follow-up questions, and you remember those little things that she says, this will drive her crazy. A woman feels she is important and valued if you listen to her. And if you want to get some bonus points, you can mention something that she said in a conversation at a later date. If you guys are talking about her friends, you could say, oh, the one who did this thing or dated that guy, and it shows you have put these 2 conversations together and that you have listened to her. Now, women hate it when we have to say, I told you this already and you didn't listen. So being listened to is an easy way to show respect to a lady, and listening will actually help you pick out a great gift for her. So listen up. Women throughout the year will tell you the things that they love. They will tell you what they wish they would buy if they had the money and what they wish they had. And if you listen carefully and make notes to when she says these things, well, you will always have the perfect gift to give her on Christmas, for her birthday, or for your anniversary. Women love it if you can love her friends and her family. You need to make it obvious that you want to actively get to know her friends and family and offer to do things together with them. If she wants you to go out with her and her friends, don't decline because you think you'll, feel like a gooseberry completely left out. Instead, see this as an opportunity to bond more with your girl. Girls absolutely love it when they can trust that you will get on with our family, and we love it when you aren't awkward about it too. We love to see guys introduce themselves, and it's amazing when we can see them have an engaging conversation with other people that mean a lot to us without us having to be the supplier of the topics of conversation or trying to force you to engage with them. You need to be very punctual and very reliable. If you arrive early to any dates to pick her up, amazing, your girl will love this. If you are able to even wake up without hitting the snooze button 5 times, then great. And if you don't, it's a big turn off, so keep that in mind when she stays over. It shows that you are able to manage your time, which is hugely attractive, and that you can prioritize what is the most important thing to you. If you do overpromise things and you can't deliver on what you say, you will majorly let her down. So please be true to yourself. If you are going to be late, please call her and tell her ahead of time. Don't just turn up late and apologize. If you took on a job or an errand for her to help her with something, let's say picking up some items to a party, and you get back and you say, well, I didn't get this and that because I didn't have time. Well, you're going to be letting her down because you've overcompensated. So women hate it when guys exaggerate and they cannot actually keep their word when they do it in a way to kind of impress us, but we can see straight through it. You've probably expected this one, and that is you need to be owning your confidence. Let's face it, if there were 2 versions of you, exactly the same, but one of the guys was the unconfident version and the other was the confident one, without a doubt, your girl is going to choose the confident version, right? Now, don't worry if you feel you are a shy person. We have many videos on our channel to help you break out of that shy person mindset, so go and check them out if you feel you need to. Remember, confidence is just a state of mind. Believe you are confident and you will be. And women love guys who know who they are. They are comfortable in their own skin, and it makes us feel stable in our relationship. So please work on your confidence. Be secure. Now this applies to everything. Literally your emotions, your finances, and your DIY shelf building skills. A woman really wants to feel that you have your side of life handled. so that she doesn't have to pick up the slack for you. Women do not want to mother you, and I feel like so many guys feel that we just want to give and give and give, and we really don't. We will encourage you to grow and nurture you as a person if we care about you, but you need to reach a good level of stability on your own. Cook and clean for her. Yeah, guys, we're moving away from the 1950s. Very slowly, however, may I add, because some guys presume that we are just like super women in the kitchen, and we really are not. So do not underappreciate her and disrespect her by expecting her to cook and clean all the time. Just because it was a set thing years ago doesn't mean it still has to be followed or that it's correct. So knowing how to cook some good meals and offering to clean up afterwards is a huge turn on. Also, please don't make cooking and cleaning a big deal where you expect a reward after doing so, because it's a little bit rude and disrespectful, and you really should already be self-sufficient where you know how to operate a washing machine and poach an egg. And I have to say, if you think you are a great catch, but you kind of lack in that cleaning and cooking side of life, if another guy came along that was exactly like you, and he cooked and he cleaned and he was pretty awesome, and he could take care of himself without expecting your girlfriend to mother him, well, she would heavily consider upgrading you. Be warned.
Wearing a beautiful smelling aftershave will really set you apart from every other person out there. Now, aftershave can be very unique to your individual style and personality. So here's a quick hack. When you next go into, say, a department store or a beauty fragrance counter, if you have a chat with the ladies behind the bar and you explain to them what you're looking for, your type of vibe, you can get them to give you some testers, because sometimes aftershave can smell very different on different types of people.
We love it when guys are healthy and are able to take care of themselves. This goes from everything from self-development to being mindful of what you eat and having your own discipline to be and grow into the best version of you. It's so attractive. Now, I'm not saying that you should have six-pack abs, buns of steel, and be a master yogi, because in fact, we couldn't really care for these types of things, and to some girls, we find that a big turn off. But being able to stay disciplined and motivate yourself to stay healthy and sufficient is such a turn on. We love it when you are passionate about something. Women will get lost in this attractive bubble when they watch you do something that you enjoy. It's just universal code. Every woman understands what I mean. No matter what it is, guys, we love knowing that you are doing something that makes you happy and you are passionate about it. It is so sexy and it will always impress a girl. No matter how small you think this thing is, we just find it so attractive when you get lost in the world of you doing the things that you enjoy. And there we go, we've reached the end of the video. If you want to binge some more, click right here. Or if you want to get your name up on our super fan board, then all you have to do is be a member of our Joyanima monthly membership. Details will be down below. Like and subscribe. See you soon.